What you see right now, I'm going to make a soursop juice. I'm going to sweeten it with the lime and the honey. But if you don't have the honey or the lime, you can use a bit of sugar or you can use lemon. But there's another version of sweetening soursop juice. You can use condensed milk and then you can tip a bit of nutmeg, a little bit of vanilla and sweeten it that way there. But to the video, FadaGugs, I do it the natural way. Just the lime and the honey. Yes people, FadaGugs is here again today with another simple but very effective video. A long time I eat soursop. From my little youth, I eat soursop. Because the soursop can eat as it is. Once it's ripe, you just broke it, take out the heart, and then you that good to go. But today, I'm going to just make a juice and just show you how to deal with it. But you see the soursop, as a youth eating the soursop, I never know see how so much health benefits the soursop have. The soursop, it can treat cancer, it can prevent heart and nerve disease, it can treat diabetes, treat eczema, it's good for growth, it can also treat back pain. Boils, the soursop can also deal with that. It can reduce inflammation, boost the immune system and prevent infection. The soursop can also control regular bowel movements, increase our energy, decrease depression, and the soursop is also good for our ear. But that's just a little brief information of how powerful the soursop is. Then we are going to add about 1 or 2 lime to this juice. The soursop I going to determine how much lime I put in it. So once we done juice the soursop, we're going to put 1 lime, taste it. If it need more, we're going to just add it accordingly. So some of the nutrients and benefits we can get from the lime: vitamin C, iron, calcium, vitamin B6, potassium, and many more. The lime is also a good source of antioxidant. It may boost immunity. It can promote healthy skin. It may reduce heart disease risk. It may prevent kidney stone. It can also increase iron absorption. It may lower certain type of cancer. Then we are going to add about 2 to 3 teaspoons of honey and about 2 cups of water we are going to add to this juice. But with the honey, you can just sweeten it to your taste. And as always, if you put too much water in it, it's going to dilute the juice too much. So you're going to try to use as little bit of water as possible. So now, let's just start the process of making that juice. So we just want to rest them over there for a bit, because we're going to move the chopping board. Yeah. So we can start. So the first thing what you want to do, you want to make sure so your hand them wash. Make sure your hand them clean, because this is a hands-on process. You have to go use your hand. Or if you want to wear your gloves, you can wear your gloves. So just make sure so your hands them clean. So the first thing what you want to do, you want to peel the soursop. Sometimes if the soursop is not too ripe, you have to peel it. But with this one, as I can see, it is so ripe that you can just easily take off the skin off it. Yeah. But if it's not too ripe, you have to use like a knife or so and peel it off. You have the heart in it. You just broke it open. Basically at the stem, and then see it here, take out that piece here. You don't want a piece there in it. Just like that. Then I got this. We're going to drop it in our bowl, and then basically we're going to just broke it up. Basically just mash it up. Can't resist myself. I have to go try a piece right now. See that? Have a try piece. Nice. Oh yeah, man. What I want to do, just throw water. I'm gonna say about 2 cups of water. And then just use your hand and just start knead it. And we are try take off all of the juice off of the seed, because Soursop have some little black seed in it. I'm showing them. Yeah, so basically this is how it look like inside. So you see them in like a little pod thing like. So that's the seed. So basically you just do this until you're satisfied. So all of the juice them come off. So I'm say your hands have to be very clean when you do this. Anybody can drink Soursop juice from. Side process of it make. So here you have it, people. Already knead it off. So what you need to do next, you need to get your container and your strainer, because we're going to strain off the juice now. Yes, you just want to throw it in and just make it run out still. You use your wooden spoon and just speed up the process a bit. If you want, you could have put back this in your bowl, just throw a little bit more water upon it and see if you can get any more juice. But no, I do that today. So that's what left. So that's it. Rest that to the side. So here we have it, people. Soursop juice. So what we need to do now, we need to sweeten it. As I say, you could have put sugar, but I use honey. So I use about 2 teaspoons of honey, or just sweeten it to your taste. Just give it a mix. Give it a taste, because we don't know how much lime for putting it now. Nice. So we have put 1 lime in it. So you get your lime. As I'm showing you in the last video, you want to get all of the juice out of it. You just rub it on the surface, soften it up, and then cut it, get the strainer, and just lime in it. Yep, so that's it. Give him a nice mix now. We'll give him a next test again to see. Not even ever say it. Just I'm not even ever say it. But yeah, that is ready. So I want to know. Just rest that to the side. Wipe off your stomach and put it in a nice glass so you can have a look. Here we have it. Just a nice glass. And then just throw goodness inside it. That is lovely. You can put some ice cube in that. That's nice. Lime beside it, banana Soursop, and the honey in the background. So there you have it, people. This is the final product, Soursop juice, the natural way, without no milk. And as I said before, it is very healthy and it is very delicious. And if you choose to do the milk way, at this stage you wouldn't put the lime in it. So you just cup the condensed milk, you throw the condensed milk inside it, Then you just throw a little bit of nutmeg and a little bit of vanilla and them things to kind of spice it up how you want it. If you like the video so far from FadaGugs, just give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to click that subscribe button and also turn on the post notification so you'll be notified whenever time FadaGugs have posted a new video. And as always, remember to share it with your friends, share it with your family, just share it. But for now, until next time, FadaGugs is out.